Okay, so you're going to use your Roku TV remote like this one, and it's kind of like an all-in-one system, so you can turn on your TV with it as well. And once you are here, live TV, we've got it set up through Pluto, so you're able to stream. It's all through streaming, and once the guide comes up, you're able to use basically this area, and then this part is to go back to the menu. So the volume's on the side. So if you go here, you can go over to the left. So if I go here and I want to move over to, let's say, entertainment, it's going to put the different channels. Like if you want to put the, BET, if you want to change the channel and you want to put it on news, you've got your headline news, NBC News, CBS Network, New York, LA. If you want to see what's happening in national news, pretty much you got CBS and CNBC or CNN. For movies, you can, we've got it set up with Tubi, and it's all a bunch of movies that are free, and you can go ahead and stream the one that you're interested in. If you find something that you're into, let's say you've got episodes of TV, Bachelor, all these other ones here. The other thing I was going to mention is that we also have in the Netflix, so there's the Bachelor. So if you go back and you hit the home, it takes you back to the main area, and then you can go ahead and log in with your Netflix account, or if you have Spotify, any of these other items. So hopefully that's helpful for you to be able to connect. Okay, enjoy.